went out walking. I don't do that much talking these days. These days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things I forgot to do. And all the times I had a chance to. Well, I had a lover. It's so hard to risk another these days. Now if I seem to be afraid to live the life I have made in song, it's just that I've been losing for so long. Well, I'll keep on moving. Things are bound to be improving these days. One of these days. These days I sit on cornerstones and count the time in quarter tones to 10. Don't confront me with my failures. I've not forgotten